Hello there guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to tag someone in your Snapchat story. Firstly guys, you need to go for the camera section, the third option, and right after that you need to pick up on picture from your gallery, or you can just tap on this section and then you need to go for the third selection on your right side by typing on the sticker side. Now as you can see, also on my upper side I have 5 options. I need to choose the second one for mention. Now here I can mention a friend. For example, we'll go with this one. And now as you can see guys, with this we have tag this guy on my Snapchat story. Now guys, with this you know how to tag someone in your Snapchat story. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.